If you want to know a person's lifestyle, watch their accusations. 1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. Judge not, that you be not judged. For with what judgment you judge, you will be judged. And with the measure you use, it will be measured back to you. And why do you look at the speck in your brother's eye, but do not consider the plank in your own eye? Or how can you say to your brother, let me remove the speck from your eye, and look, a plank is in your own eye? Hypocrite, first remove the plank from your own eye, and then you will see clearly to remove the speck from your brother's eye. In this passage of scripture, Jesus is teaching us about accusing others of being sinful when we are not innocent ourselves. He is making the comparison of two people. The accused in this case is less evil than the accuser. This is because we must police ourselves before we spiritually police others. This is why it is important to clean up our own lives before we can clean up the lives of others. God is showing us that if we are hard on others, then he will be hard on us. Yes, if a brother has erred from the faith, we must try to restore him before it's everlastingly too late. However, we must consider that we too can fall into sin. We are all capable of doing so. Thus, we must be compassionate and kind to others to draw them back to Christ. Most of all, we must not be hypocrites ourselves, because God won't save a hypocrite. Don't forget, those who do a lot of accusations against others are normally doing the same things or worse that they accuse others of. God bless you. Thanks for listening. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ.